Alright everyone, hi and welcome to the video. This is your friend Somil Shah, a full stack Python developer. So in this video, I thought to introduce a script that can find about 150 plus jobs in less than 3 seconds. Did you hear 3 seconds? Yes, it's correct. This basically Indeed job search bot can search 150 new jobs right now, wherever whatever location I provide, in less than 3 seconds. Let's have a look at it. So I'm gonna run the script within less than just 3 seconds. So it's gonna scrape the entire website of Indeed for whatever job location I have applied. For example, like Python, and the location is Bridgeport, Connecticut. And here you see 150 jobs with their apply links, their title, their date, their salary, and their everything. So I can go pretty much on any link and I can just apply 150 jobs less than 5 seconds. I mean 3 to 5 seconds. This is really impressive. So as I said, Python is really very powerful. I mean, it's all upon your imagination what you can create. So this is what I created using web scraping techniques. 150 plus job search in less than 5 seconds. That is all the Python jobs. Whatever jobs you want to search, give the query string, title, and the location, and there you go. Hope you have enjoyed it, and if you think I have done a great job, please give a like to the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. And once again, thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.